When the thieves seized the treasure, we stood without fear, for Father Yahuwah made every promise stand clear.
Though the work paused in silence, our hope never swayed, for Father Yahuwah keeps all that His word has conveyed.
7 months we kept watch with our eyes on His way, for Father Yahuwah will answer without delay.
Now Father Yahuwah contends for His own and His name. Every promise He spoke shall be honored the same. Lord WLC, enrich and pay. Father Yahuwah shall surely restore every day. Through Yahushua, every promise is steadfast and sure. Father Yahuwah has spoken forever, shall
When the ark crossed the borders where Philistines trod,
Father Yahuwah laid low every false little god.
and tumors struck princes and rats filled the land,
For Father Yahuwah stretched forth His commanding hand.
7 months brought affliction till pride was undone.
Then Father Yahuwah showed no rest till His will had been done.
The lords of the Philistines trembled at last, for Father Yahuwah made certain His judgment held fast.
They returned the ark freely with gold by their choice. To Father Yahuwah they yielded with trembling of voice.
Golden tumors and rats were their guilt offering made, for Father Yahuwah alone every trespass repaid. Just as prey from the mighty shall never remain,
Father Yahuwah shall loosen the captives again.
He contends with contenders till justice is shown.
For Father Yahuwah defends what belongs to His own.
The proud shall surrender what never was theirs,
As Father Yahuwah gives answer to faithful prayers. Now Father Yahuwah contends for His own and His name. Every promise He spoke shall be honored restored with a gift from the foe, Father
Yahuwah shall likewise his faithfulness show.
The thief shall surrender with increasing store.
Father Yahuwah shall reign evermore.